What inspired your decision to build a place of worship for Ordinary?
Yeah, thank you for that question. The truth of the matter is that I had this vision, yes, years back, and I was told that I will be that originally I was called to be a priest and not an evangelist. That's my natural calling. So I have been having this concept. Then before my forces guide led me to so many spiritual movements, probably to gather all the experiences I needed. That's why in the last 22 years, I was in India, and I was opportune to go to the temple, make some research there, followed them to their festivals, and I found out that their way of worship is similar with what we have here. That spirituality is actually one. Only that now, so before I had this vision to build this place of worship. This place of worship, believe in me, I have not seen it anywhere. And you will agree with me that there whatever I will go there. Exactly this. Everything is see there, even from the tower and everything, is the concept given to me by Omumu. When I saw this vision, immediately I woke up. I began to draw what I saw. After drawing all of them, I gave it to a friend of mine, Nesukwai, who another person is the architect. So to draw the concept in the way he has seen it in the picture. So he was doing it and reporting back to me. I keep correcting it till we get it to this level. So, and I can tell you that is exactly how I saw it, and that is how we try to build a replica here on earth as a place of worship of Ogbuefi. It will be best and the first of its kind anywhere in Igbo spirituality and Africa in general. Want to set a standard. Yes. Thank you.